Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest about life fragments in Heartopia. So to complete this quest, first just meet the fashion reporter, this one, and then just talk to her, and then accept the quest, like this, and then next just tap on leave it to me, and then in here you need to uh, you need to You need to chat with the fashion reporter about recent life. So just talk to her again, like this. And then next, just choose the topics that you want. For example, I went to a party, like this. And then just chat to her like this. Talk to her until it's done, and your quest will be complete, and you will get the rewards, umbrella coffee, and then uh, fireworks. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.